Hello, little friends. It's Happy Hearts Kids. Today, we are visiting Australian animals for our little friends. First, we meet an emu. The emu is a tall bird that cannot fly. It has long legs and a long neck. Watch the emu walking across the sand. Can you march in place like an emu? Lift your knees up high and march, march, march. Great marching, friends. Now we meet a koala. Koalas live in gum trees in Australia. They eat eucalyptus leaves and sleep a lot. This koala is feeling very cozy and calm. Can you cuddle yourself like a sleepy koala? Wrap your arms around your body and give a gentle squeeze. Take a slow breath in and out. Next, we see a kangaroo. Kangaroos use their strong back legs to hop. This kangaroo has a soft pouch for its joey. Can you do tiny hops on the spot like a kangaroo? Hop, 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 very gently. Emu, koala, kangaroo. 3 special Australian animals for toddlers. Which animal was your favorite today? Tell a grown-up or point to the screen. Thank you for learning with Happy Hearts Kids. Please tap subscribe so we can make more Australian animal videos for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.